Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Pinterest for dropshipping inspiration, beginner guide step by step clearly.
Open Pinterest and create an account if you don't have one. Log into your Pinterest account.
Use the search bar at the top of the page to type in keywords related to your niche. Explore the suggested pins that appear based on your search. Look for visually appealing images that resonate with your niche. Click on pins that catch your eye to view them in detail. Take note of the product details provided in the pin description.
Follow boards that align with your business interests.
Create your own boards to organize inspiration and ideas. Pin any relevant products or ideas to your boards for easy access. Review your boards regularly to maintain fresh inspiration.
Use Pinterest's Related Pins feature to discover more products.
Engage with the community by following other users and commenting on their pins.
Use the Shop tab to find trending products within your niche. Utilize Pinterest's analytics tool to track what pins perform best. Experiment with different keywords to broaden your search results. Save your favorite finds to reference when building your dropshipping store. Monitor emerging trends to stay ahead in your niche.
Explore group boards to gain insights from other dropshipping entrepreneurs. Refine your boards as you gather more inspiration, removing pins that no longer fit your vision.
Stay consistent and continue to search for new ideas regularly.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.